This place is often called the Ha Long Bay of Land, but Ninh Binh is more than just dramatic cliffs and scenic views. Welcome to Ninh Binh, a stunning region in northern Vietnam where ancient history, jaw-dropping landscapes and peaceful rivers all come together. From ancient capitals to mountaintop dragons, misty rice paddies to river caves, we're exploring the very best of Ninh Binh today. And if you've ever dreamed of a peaceful escape just a couple hours from Hanoi, this might just be it. Let's dive in.
So we're about to check out the ancient temple today. We're in Ninh Binh, and this used to be the capital of Vietnam.
Oh, my happy friends of happy. Please be together. I'll be back in a couple of minutes. I gave you some tickets.
Later on, we're going to do a Tam Coc River Cruise. We're also going to see the Mua Cave and hopefully climb up Dragon Mountain.
Our first stop, Hoa Lư, Vietnam's ancient capital during the 10th and 11th centuries.
So we've just entered the ancient capital here in Ninh Binh.
This was the political and cultural heart of the country under the Dinh and Le dynasties, long before Hanoi ever took the spotlight. Today, what remains is a quiet complex of temples and ruins nestled between limestone karsts. The setting is just as majestic as the history. Some interesting facts. Dinh Tien Hoang, the first emperor of unified Vietnam, ruled from here. The site includes two main temples, one for Emperor Dinh and another for Emperor Lê.
So we're just outside the temple. You can smell the incense.
It's peaceful now, but you can almost imagine what this valley felt like as a capital more than 1,000 years ago. That wraps up our visit to the ancient city. Now it's time to turn up the intensity at our next location.
So it's actually the hottest day we've had so far in Vietnam. It's supposed to be about 35 and the humidity is quite extreme today. So got the sunscreen, the sunglasses. Whew.
Ready to climb? Our next stop is Hang Mua, or Mua Cave, home to Ninh Binh's most iconic viewpoint.
Everyone now, let's begin.
The walk to Mua Cave is surprisingly beautiful, like a quiet village by the water. You'll pass lotus ponds, small bridges, and sweeping lily pad fields where locals often dress up for photos. It's peaceful and scenic, the perfect lead up to the climb to Dragon Mountain. To reach the summit of Dragon Mountain, you'll need to climb around 500 steep stone steps.
Well, I'm not sure if I'm halfway or not, or how much further I've got to go, but I'm headed for the Dragon. Been training for this.
But what waits at the top is more than worth it. At the summit, you're greeted by a massive stone dragon statue coiled along the ridge, overlooking the valley below.
I've just been up the top of Dragon Mountain. It's a lot even harder than it looks because there's so many people. It's slippery. There's not much to hold on to.
This is Dragon Mountain. From here, you get sweeping views of the Tam Coc River, rice fields, and karst mountains stretching for miles. It's one of the best panoramic views in Vietnam. Some fun facts. The dragon statue represents Vietnamese folklore, where dragons bring rain and good fortune.
So I'm just at Mua Cave.
The cave at the base is small but sacred. Mua means dance, and local legends say a king once watched dancers here. Last but not least, let's float through one of Vietnam's most peaceful landscapes, Tam Coc.
So we're about to head on the Tam Coc River Cruise. We're actually in Tam Coc. That's where the boats head out from the town itself. And we've been asked to put a life jacket on, but we don't actually have to belt it up because it's not too deep. Here we go.
You'll board a small sampan boat rowed, often by foot, by local women.
They actually row the boats with their feet. Very clever. I don't think I will have a go. Where are you from? Philippines. Yay! Well, I must say it's quite relaxing, this boat ride, and the scenery is absolutely stunning.
The journey takes you along the New Dong River through 3 natural limestone caves, hence the name Tam Coc, meaning 3 caves. Surrounded by rice fields, dramatic cliffs, and grazing goats, it's like stepping into a living painting. The boat trip lasts around 1.5 to 2 hours, passing through cave number 1, number 2 and number 3, each formed by water erosion over centuries. During rice harvest season, May to June, the fields turn golden, a truly magical sight. The climax before the boat turns around is a lagoon-like wonderland, a peaceful village surrounded by towering cliffs, calm waters, and footbridges you pass beneath along the way.
So our Tam Coc River Cruise is about to come to an end. It's quite a long ride. You go through a couple of caves. There's lots of people on the river as well, but it's very serene, very relaxing. The hut's a bit sore. The sun's really hot and it's very humid, but apart from that,
that concludes our tour of some of Ninh Binh most spectacular spots. What was your favourite? Have you been, or would you like to go? Let us know in the comments below. And before you leave, don't forget to check out the local hospitality. From warm welcomes to delicious Vietnamese favourites, Ninh Binh is a feast for both the eyes and the appetite.